So, yeah, I checked everything again, everything works. This is how you call the data with alias names. The order of the columns is arbitrary. I just wanted to say that, but the result is ordered by position and database. Yeah, that's everything I just wanted to add. So alias naming works as expected, or alias using in select statements. Important to say again, you may not use alias names in bulk insert or other bulk statements. You only may use them in normal statements, in where clauses, for example, where you could say where if the column would exist, or yeah, here it does, if phone underscore equals something like that would be possible, or yeah, that's it. You can use it in a where clause, and you may not, until now you may not or cannot combine where clauses, so you have to make subselects and or simple selects and aggregate the data yourself in the third-gen language, but most people do anyway. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show. Alias mapping works as well. Have a nice day.